Hey guys, welcome back to Martial Arts and Fitness UK. So today we're at the swimming pool. Now everyone knows that swimming is great for fitness. If you guys are swimming, then good job, keep it up. But what we're going to be working on today, for all the crazy martial artists who just can't get enough training, and we're training 24/7. So you guys are training at Tesco's on the queue, you're training in your sleep, you just can't get enough of it. So now we're going to use the pool as well. When we're at the swimming pool, we're going to be using this to work on our kicks. So we're going to take any kick you want to do. I'm going to demonstrate the front kick, but you can do side kick, you can do roundhouse kick, hook kick, axe kicks, whatever you want to be doing. So we're just going to do them like we do in the studio at the dojo. So we're going to execute the front kick when he comes up, kick, and we're going to bring it back again. So we're going to do these full power, full speed. We're going to have the water now to offer us a bit more resistance as well. So just like when you're swimming, you can do widths, or you can do lengths. It's totally up to you. So we're going to be coming through. Knee comes up, start getting a bit deep, try to hold your breath, we'll turn around, we're going to go the other way, same place, back to this way, keeping that going up, good, stepping forward, full speed, from there. So this is working two things. Number one, it's going to be helping with your balance, you've got the water to help support your supporting legs, so it's a lot easier to stand on one leg in the chamber. You've got the water there to help you, so it'll be great for balance, and also it's going to be working the kicking leg with that resistance to the water. Alright, guys, thank you for watching. More videos soon. I'll see you at the pool.